Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger. We're gonna go ahead and get into these Vans. Honestly, I'm mad excited to go ahead and talk about these. It's a sick ass pair of Vans, and I haven't been excited for a pair of Vans probably ever. Honestly, Vans are an essential in sneakers. I feel like you need Vans, you need Converse, and you can't go wrong with a black and white old school pair of Vans. Honestly, I haven't had some in like a year or so. Last time I had the Pros and I beat them shits. Like low key, I need a new pair, which is that right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Leave a like on this video if you do end up enjoying. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. A lot more new exciting content coming to the channel, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Sheesh. So right here we got the package, bro. Yes sir, the Vans. Let's see what these Supreme Vans talking about. Little checkerboard paper vibes right there. Yo, honestly, these shits are kind of fire. I love the way that the gray accents the blue, and then this thorn at the bottom. Low key, I always wanted to get that shit tatted. I'm good on it now, but I think that it's just a sick design to have at the bottom of these. Let's go ahead and pull these shits out. So off the gate, these are my favorite Vans I've bought from Supreme. I honestly have two. I have these as well, but I think these are sick. With that Supreme hit on the back heel, it's definitely solid. The thorn on the bottom, they just stand out from regular Vans, and I think that's what does it for me. With these, they just look like regular Vans, or it looks gimmicky kind of. With these, it's fire. So here we got the Supreme Vans. You got that Supreme hit on the back heel. The color code on these is tribal charcoal. I'm guessing the tribal vibes is down here, but it's definitely solid. That print all across the bottom. These do come with the white set of laces as well as the black. I think that's clean. Then on the inside, it does have pop cush, which I'm assuming is like a cushioning for skateboarding. It's more comfortable than just a regular pair of Vans. I feel like this is clean. I love that hairy suede on the toe. These are fire, bro. The quality on these is A1 as well. They remind me of almost like a Golf Wang Vans type shit. These go hard, bro. I love this color, and it even has checkerboard on the inside right there. These are just so clean. On the inside of the tongue on these, you do have checkerboard with the Supreme under it, Vans on top. You can never go wrong with these. Definitely staying in my collection. I love that black stripe with the leather. It just shines almost perfectly. This gray is beautiful, bro. I love this color. Little accent with the thorns. You just can't go wrong with these shits. The Supreme on the back. This is honestly what I want from Supreme Vans. Like, stop playing with them and drop shit like this. I know you can't water it down and shit, but bro, like, come on. This is hard. Honestly, I wouldn't have gone wrong with either color. That black with the pink grew on me. Like, low-key, I'm gonna check resell on those. These go hard. Even has like a leather liner right here. I gotta go ahead and lace these up. If y'all haven't seen my lacing tutorial, I'm gonna put it right here, but I'm gonna lace these up, and yeah, then we gonna try it on feet and get up out the building. So while I was lacing these, I found out that there's a band on the inside that holds the tongue to your foot. I don't know if that's new. See, bro, I'm not tripping. This one doesn't have that shit. It's just everywhere with it. This one has that thing on the tongue that holds it to your foot. Let me know down below if this is the Vans 2.0. Like, bro, these are hard. With the band right here, definitely solid, because these do be slipping, bro. Especially if you're trying to loose lace them, they be slipping, so that's hard. But let's go ahead and get into the on feet. Yo, what do y'all think of these? Honestly, I feel like they're hard. This colorway is definitely my favorite by far. Second would be that black with the peach. That one is hard, especially for springtime. Those are solid, but right here is my favorite, the blue with that charcoal gray. Those thorns definitely do it with that Supreme on the back. This is probably one of the better Vans they've released in years. The Blood and Cum Vans that came out a little while ago were hard too, but these might be better. I don't know. I feel like the details in these little shit holding the foot down, bro, solid. These are a solid pair of Vans. 9.3, 9.5 out of 10, definitely solid. Honestly, banger pair of Vans. If you're gonna pick up a pair of Supreme Vans, I would definitely recommend you to pick up these or one of the colorways for these. Right now on StockX, these are going for like 148, 140 type shit in my size, and honestly, that's not that bad. That means that if you go on eBay, you could find these bitches for like 130 type shit, which is almost near retail. If you're gonna pick up a pair of Vans, I would definitely recommend it to be this pair. I do kind of wish that they had a gray set of laces. I would have used that. I feel like that would have been clean. These are hard. Let me know in the comments. One last look at these Vans right here. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video by leaving a like on it down below. Honestly, if you were gonna get these, I definitely recommend you to go ahead and do so. It's a clean ass pair of Vans. Honestly, I don't have that many in my collection anymore. I have probably like 3 or 4. I'm trying to sell the black ones. These are hard. These are definitely staying. Let me know if you enjoyed this video by leaving a like. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. Don't forget to subscribe. Come on, bro. Road to 19,000. Then it's 20, then it's 50, then 100, then we up, bro. So go ahead and subscribe down below. If there's a giveaway, put that shit right. Boom. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out. Tell me these bitches ain't hard, bro. Come on, come on.
Never see the sun, always see the night.